Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, depending on where you are listening to me. COTP, COTP, COTP. We are all losing hope. We are all losing hope. But I think there is another way. While waiting for COTP, I think we don't have to be idle. We don't have to be idle. So suggestion that I'm giving anybody who is a content creator can start creating video content to make money online as well. For instance, there are so many social media that are paying creators, especially the people that are creating video content. Number one, Facebook pays. Number two, YouTube pays. So it depends on what you can do. If you can do tech, if you can do teaching, anything at all. So let me show you, for example, what I'm talking about. We come to this place now. As you can see, it's loading. It's loading. As you can see right here. December time, I have about $248. January, I have about $106 from YouTube. This YouTube. Then February 75. March $99.29. April $79.55. Then May, as in this May now, what I'm having now is $50. It's due to I'm not too focused right now. So if I was working like during December, I have enough time, I worked very well. That was why I have about $248. So it depends on how you work. So why not join YouTube or Facebook program, so that while we are waiting for COTP or while we've lost hope, you can still be making money online. So that is my advice for now. If you want to join YouTube, you can browse about it, how to monetize your YouTube channel. Their requirements are just if you have 4,000 public watch hour, then with 1,000 subscriber. If you have 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hour, you'll be eligible for monetization. And once they monetize you, they will start paying you on any content that you create. So I think if you like it, you can join. You can join YouTube. You can join Facebook monetization, so that you start making money as well. So that's my advice for now, because online pays in a legit way, not all these people that are defrauding people for nothing. So if you think you are interested, you can browse about it. If you are confused, if you don't know how to start, you can write on the comment section. If you write on the comment section, I can reply you with help or anything at all. It's easy. Anybody can do it. Anybody can get his YouTube channel monetized. You can do it yourself. So that is my advice for you. As you can see. So if I go to Google AdSense, you can see the payment that I've got. So the last payment was $163. As you can see, under that $79.10, you will see the last payment $163. So that is it for now. Thank you and God bless you. So this COTP now, everybody has lost hope, but I don't know if these people are giving us tough time right now. If they say today, they say tomorrow. So nobody is hoping too much on them again. Nobody. So we have to move on for now. If anything happens by the grace of God, then we thank God for that. But everybody has lost hope. Yes, thank you and God bless you. Remain blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and God bless you. Bye bye.